India, a nation with a rich legal heritage, embarked on a significant journey in 2023 with the introduction of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, or BNS for short. This comprehensive legal framework aims to modernize and streamline the Indian Penal Code of 1860. The BNS represents a landmark shift, reflecting the evolving values and aspirations of contemporary Indian society. It seeks to deliver justice that is clear, efficient, and accessible to all. The BNS impacts every citizen, touching upon various aspects of daily life. Understanding its provisions is crucial for navigating the legal landscape of modern India. This essay delves into the heart of the BNS, focusing on Chapter 1, which lays the groundwork for this transformative legal code. Chapter 1 acts as the foundation upon which the entire edifice of the BNS is built. It outlines the Act's fundamental principles, scope, and application. By examining this chapter, we gain valuable insights into the Act's intent and its potential impact on the lives of ordinary citizens. Chapter 1 of the BNS commences by establishing the Act's short title as the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, 2023. This seemingly simple declaration carries significant weight. It signifies a departure from the colonial legacy of the IPC, embracing a distinctly Indian identity in its nomenclature. The Act's extent is defined as encompassing the whole of India. This means the BNS applies uniformly across all states and territories of the nation. Such uniformity is crucial in ensuring equal justice for all citizens, regardless of their geographical location. Finally, the commencement of the Act refers to the date on which it comes into effect. This date, determined by the government, marks the formal implementation of the BNS, replacing the outdated IPC. A crucial aspect of any legal framework is establishing who can be held liable for violating its provisions. Chapter 1 of the BNS clearly defines the individuals or entities that fall under its purview. The Act primarily focuses on holding individuals accountable for criminal offences. This includes citizens of India, as well as foreign nationals present within the country's borders. The BNS ensures that everyone is subject to the same laws and legal processes, reinforcing the principle of equality before the law. However, the BNS acknowledges that corporations and other legal entities can also be held liable for criminal acts. This provision is particularly important in today's world, where corporate crime is a growing concern. Section 4. The long arm of the law. Applicability beyond borders. While the BNS primarily governs actions within India's territory, Chapter 1 clarifies its applicability to offences committed outside the country's borders under specific circumstances. This extraterritorial jurisdiction ensures that individuals cannot evade justice by fleeing the country after committing a crime. For instance, if an Indian citizen commits an act abroad that is considered an offence under the BNS, they can still be prosecuted upon their return to India. This provision demonstrates the Act's commitment to upholding justice, regardless of where the offence takes place. Furthermore, the BNS addresses offences committed on ships and aircraft registered in India, even if these offences occur outside Indian airspace or territorial waters. This ensures that individuals are subject to the law even when travelling or residing abroad. Section 5. Navigating the legal landscape. Special laws and local customs. Chapter 1 of the BNS acknowledges the existence of special and local laws that may operate concurrently with the Act. These laws, often addressing specific issues or communities, are not superseded by the BNS unless explicitly stated. For example, laws governing matters such as family law, religious practices, or tribal customs continue to apply alongside the BNS. This approach recognizes the diverse legal landscape of India and ensures that the BNS complements rather than overrides existing legal frameworks. The Act's sensitivity to special and local laws highlights its commitment to inclusivity and respect for India's diverse legal traditions. It recognizes that a one-size-fits-all approach may not always be appropriate, and that certain matters are best addressed by specialized legal frameworks.